One of the most powerful tools in Lightroom is the Learn option. This is built right into the app. It's available on the computer, on the phone, on the iPad, wherever you're working within Lightroom. So I've opened the app, and as I look on this editing screen, down towards the bottom middle, I see a little light bulb with the word Learn. It not only shows my photographs up here so that I could use these in the tutorial, but it actually allows me to go through some learning options here. There's a couple shown, but if I were to tap on See All, it's going to lead me through them. I'm going to look at this one from Katrine Eisman, specifically about cropping, lighting, and effects. You can see that's the core features. Okay, if you were to go through this tutorial, it's actually going to, she explains in that quote that I just closed out that she was in a busy gym in Cuba and it was tight, it was very difficult to get close proximity to the subject, and so she found that she needed to crop the image to get rid of some of the distracting qualities. And so in the tutorial, it's actually leading me through cropping. You can see it kind of shakes no when I do the wrong thing. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this, and you can see if you go through that process that you can actually go step by step through the kind of beginner compositional things that she does. It includes color, light, effects, and so on. As I scroll down, there's lots of options, more tutorials available, and then I can actually get down here to discover some inspiring edits. So if I liked what was going on in this image, I could see what kind of edits were done to create the effect that this photographer has. And you can see it's kind of walking me through an animation of it. So then if I wanted to see what that looked like, I can actually scroll through all of these options to see all the sliders. Okay, see how that worked. Their healing brush, linear gradient, super cool stuff. Then if I liked that, I can save all of that as a preset so that it then shows up in my presets. Okay, so if I come down here again, let me grab one of my photos and I'm going to scroll over to my presets. Okay, and I'm going to go to user or saved presets, sorry, and there it is. There's one from Katrine Eisman that I've saved from before, and then the one that I just previewed is right here. Now, if I use that, there's going to be some qualities that I like and some that I don't. All of those effects, all those changes, all those edits are still live right here. So I can change them, I can shift them, and make them work for my photograph. Okay, so make sure you explore this Learn option. It is invaluable, and it's truly one of the greatest parts of Lightroom.